Hi, this is Professor Bobby at Hot Space, enjoying this barramundi here. I'm wondering who's going to stop me taking a video here. But hey, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. This is barramundi. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. With the Qingdao in hand and barramundi in the other. Pretty good. It's a little bit muddy. Maybe that's the flavor here. Muddy and a little fishy. Wait. Get out of here. And then wash it down. Also, here is snow clams. What do you call this? Lassen clams. So this is Hot Space in Flushing, New York. What? Let's have a landscape. There's a little pocket here in case I make. Oh wait. Oh, look at that, protecting me. The pocket.